Is back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a hair tutorial. I wanted to kind of like switch it up a bit for my 10 days of Christmas, give you guys some makeup looks, some vlogs, some hair tutorials, you know, a little bit of everything. I wanted to show you guys how to achieve the popular like crimps that I've been seeing like all over Instagram. They're not crimps, they're like more or less like water waves, mermaid hair, and I just think that it is perfect for the holiday season, especially if like you're running out of hairstyles like me. I'm tired of doing my hair straight. I'm tired of doing drop curls. So this is actually the first time that I did try like the waves, and I am like obsessed. I also show you guys, you know, different ways to rock the little pins or whatever. That's also in style. Of course, if you guys want to see how I got this hair, then you already know what to do. Definitely keep on watching. Definitely before you go, hit that subscribe button. That way you do not miss out on any of the videos for the 10 days of Christmas. And of course, if you are enjoying, then give this video a big thumbs up. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this, then keep on watching, and until next time guys, bye.
Every word, every inch, but gang got the hammer and the wrench. I pull up in that $250,000 off the lot. Oh, now she trying to be friends like I forgot.
So this is what my hair was giving before we got all cute, and as you guys can see, my hair is in a dry, frizzy, messy bun. I'm actually in the process of growing out my hair, so that's actually why I've been wearing a lot of wigs, is because it is a natural protective style. That way I do not have to apply heat or anything on my hair. But don't be fooled, honey. You can achieve this style with hair extensions or your natural hair, whatever you want to do. But of course, I'm going to be popping on a wig so that way I don't put no heat on my hair. So today's wig is from Allove Hair. And I wanted to show you guys the packaging because it was super cute. So when you do get your package in the mail, this is what your box is going to give. And of course, it does come with some instructions on the back. That way you know exactly how to take care of your hair. And it does come with little cute accessories inside your box, which I find super cute that they give, you know, some goodies, some lashes, a wig cap, you know, everything that you need to do your damn thing. So this wig is a 360 straight lace wig in 20 inches and 150 density. I'm dumb hyped to put this damn wig on. I was in a good mood today, okay? But anyway, this is what the natural hairline looks like. It is pre-plucked, so it's going to be super easy to apply. If you guys did want to, of course, do the whole melting down your lace and do all of that, but of course, because this wig is the same exact color as my natural hair, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy method on how you can apply your wig lace glueless, no glue, no none of that. So as you guys can see, I am now going to be cutting behind my hairline, and like I said before, I can only get away with doing this if the wig is the exact color of my natural hair, which it is. So ain't no need to be doing no got to be, no gel, no, listen bitch, I don't got time for that. So anyway, so what I'm doing now is basically cutting behind my natural hairline. I want all of my baby hairs to come out, like I said, that way I can just use my natural hairline. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't have to use the fake hairline. But of course, if you want to, this is pre-plucked, so it will be super easy if you guys do want to lay it down and do your thing. So anyway, I am now cutting off those sideburns, and one thing that I do love about this wig is that it does come with clips on each end, so those little flaps on each sideburn. After you like adjust the wig, all you have to do is just clip it in, and it is not gonna lift. So that was bomb. So anyway, now I'm just doing the same exact thing to the other side, and now what I'm gonna do is get this hair in a middle part, and I want to basically part my natural hair underneath. And now as you guys can see, I'm just taking out all of those edges, and I'm taking out all the hair in the front. That way it does cover the lace, and it literally just makes it disappear. Now I'm gonna, you know, adjust it with the combs, and as you guys can see, you can even rock this behind your ear because you're using your natural hair in the front. Like, I was so impressed with this hair and this lace because it literally melted into my natural part so good. So the only time I'm going to be using the got to be is literally so that way that part does not shift back. So I'm taking literally a tiny little bit of the got to be gel, and I'm going to put that right underneath where the lace is going to meet my natural hairline, like my natural parting. And you just want to go ahead and blow dry that until it does not move and it is locked down. So basically what I do is get it nice and tacky, and then I go in with like the back of my comb or something, just something that I could press it down until it is locked in place. You feel me? Alright, so now that I got that all situated, now it's time to work on the parting. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of foundation powder, and you guys know I like to use this little trick just to basically make that lace invisible. And as you guys can see, it literally just makes it look like scalp, but you don't want to overdo it. If you do, just go in and blend it out. Super easy. And I don't like to use cream or anything when doing this. I just like to use powder. So anyways, moving on to my wand. I'm actually using this to flatten out the top. That way it looks super realistic, super natural. I still don't have a fucking hot comb. Like, girl, next. Anyway, now I'm going in with a little bit of black eyeshadow just to make, you know, my natural leave out a little bit fuller, so that way it can really match the wig. And girl, what wig, what lace, okay? I'll wait. All right, because that shit literally looks like it's growing out of my head. Anyway, this is the tool that we're going to be using today to create the cute little waves. So once I got my hair all sectioned out, so I wanted to show you guys, this was my first attempt. Like I told you in my intro, I've never done this hairstyle before. So the first time I did it on the hair when there was no product in it, completely dry. And bitch, my waves literally dropped in like 2.5 seconds. Like, it did not hold. First of all, this crimper kind of sucks. I got it from Amazon. And this shit was just a complete fail. So let me show you guys the real way, because it took me a little trial and error to really get the hang of how to really do these waves. So the first thing you want to do is spray the hair with some type of holding hairspray. The only spray that I had on hand was my Got To Be spray, which makes it a little crunchy. I really do not recommend that. So if you could get a regular nice holding spray, that would be a lot better. So pretty much you just want to go ahead and spray your hair first and then start waving your hair, and it's just gonna look so much better. I'm telling you, bitch, I burned this shit out of my neck, hence why I had to rock this turtleneck in this video, but we made it work. Anyway, moving on to how to style the hair and do cute little hairstyles with the waves. I know you guys have seen these little clips all over Instagram. So the first style is to put one clip on one side, and that is the first option. I rocked this literally last time I went out. It was so cute. So the second option is to do both clips on both sides. You can use any type of clips. I just got these from my local beauty supply store. You know, take the little baby hairs out. And this is hairstyle number 2. Really cute. Okay. And the third hairstyle is basically you put both clips on one side, so it just gives it a little extra bling on one side. You know, when you do, you know, hit to the right or to the left, you know, bitches is like, ooh, that's cute. Oh my god, I love this hair. Oh my god, it was so pretty. So now, depending on what you're wearing, you could pick like solid color clips. So I just chose white, and this is how it looks with just the solid ones. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put 2 on one side, just to show you guys a variety if you switch out the clips. And of course, my favorite hairstyle, well, out of these hairstyles with the clips, is actually to put one side behind my ear and then put the 2 clips on each side. I actually rocked this hairstyle for Thanksgiving, but I did it with straight hair. And girl, these little clips has just been my shit lately. I put them on me, I put them on Thule. Like, I just been obsessing over these little clips. Anyway, last hairstyle is to put both sides of your hair behind your ear and then put one clip on each side. I feel like I said clip a million times. Like, it's literally so annoying. So yeah, if you go to your beauty supply store, you'll find so many different ones. But yeah, for this style, I did put it behind my hair because I liked it a lot better like that. But yeah, this is pretty much it for this holiday hairstyle. Hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, guys, bye.